If you want to make the setup for window invoice policies, we will see how we can create the setup for window invoice policies. The window invoice policies is used when the user try to post the invoices from window invoices screen, and the window invoice policies is not related to the invoices which you posted by invoice journal or invoice JSON. Okay, if you want to make the setup for window invoice policies, accounts payable, policy setup here, the accounts payable module, there is policy setup. Okay, first thing you have to make the setup for window invoice policy rule types. I will click new, which will be standard. The description is standard. Policy for purchasing. Query name is very important. You need this policy for window invoice or window invoice line or charges. I will select window invoice line, for example, or window invoice as per the policy you want to create, or charges. I will select window invoice this type. Then I will click save. Now we make the setup for the window invoice policy rule type. When we finish, we have to come to create the window invoice policy screen. Under policy setup from accounts payable policy setup, there is window invoice policies. Click new. Here we can write the name for the policy is vendor invoices. Here description vendor invoices policy. Okay, under setup here in the parameter, you have to make sure the order reference is the companies. Then click save, close. Then go down to the policy organizations. Here you can find the companies. You have to select for which company you are making this policy. For example, I will select this company. Okay. Then here you will find now the policy will type, which is the policy will type now is the standard which you are making the setup for it. Here you have to select it from this left area and here click create policy rule. System will ask you about the effective date for the policy. You have to select for which date, the expiration date, under which date. Here policy rule descriptions. You have to enter here the descriptions which will appear, the text message which will appear to the user when you try to make transactions which matching with this policy. As per standard policy for organization. Then click OK. Policy will start dates in the past. This is not allowed. Would you like to use the current date and time? You have to click OK, yes. Then click save to save the policy rule. After that, you have to close the screen.